Hi, my name is Chris Romano, and I am the product manager for the purging and pressurization products here at Pepperl+Fuchs. We are offering a new accessory kit for the 7500 MTDs, Type Z, and EX-PZC purging and pressurization system that will have the electrical, pneumatic, and mounting hardware to complete the installation of the 7500 MTDs. This is the 7500 MTD BXRW unit that has the 7500 control unit and manual manifold system mounted to a bracket that will mount to the outside of the enclosure. This component only comes with the hardware for the measuring of the differential pressure of the enclosure, which is this part here, but does not come with the electrical and the pneumatic fittings to complete the installation of the system. The customer could come to us to purchase all the individual parts or purchase them from another source. The 7500 ACC Kit 01 provides all these parts into one model number to make it convenient with a cost savings. An installation sheet is included and available online that will identify these parts and layout of where they go into the system. Now let's take a look at these individual parts. Let's start with the pneumatic components. The 7500 manifold has an inlet-outlet opening, which is a 1/2-inch NPT opening. The kit provides 1.5-inch NPT to 3/8-inch tube fitting that goes into the outlet of the manifold. We also provide a bulkhead fitting with a gasket that will mount to the enclosure and 3/8-inch tubing that goes from the outlet of the manifold to the inlet of this bulkhead fitting that will get your air into the enclosure. This is going to be used for purging and pressurization. For the electrical section, we have on the 7500 2 1/2-inch NPT openings for power going to the unit and also enclosure alarms and enclosure contacts. We provide 2 1/2-inch NPT cable glands certified for the area that would screw into these ports and provide wiring to this unit. We will not supply the wiring to this unit. That will be supplied by you. But we also provide M16 bulkhead cable gland that will go through your enclosure. And then we have a seal washer and a lock washer that will keep the bulkhead fitting on the enclosure and provide wiring to the enclosure for power or for the alarms and/or. If you are only using this for monitoring and you have no power going to the enclosure and you have an open port, then we provide a seal that will go into one of the cable glands, an approved seal that will block the unit so that it could be used in the hazardous area. We also include 4 mounting screws and NEMA 4X washers for installing the 7500 MTD to the enclosure. The existing screws that are used for the side plates normally will work, but these seal washers and a thicker panel make it very difficult to mount the smaller screws. That's why we include these 12mm long screws. Also, the back panel of this enclosure doesn't have to be installed on there. Because of the wiring and the tubing coming out, it may make it a little difficult to put this back panel on, so you can leave that off. For the 7500 MTD panel mount version, the 4 longer screws and the washers are not used because the panel mount version has its own bracketing for the mounting of the panel to the enclosure for a NEMA 4X IP66 protection. For more detailed information on the 7500-ACC-Kit-01 or any of our other products, please visit our website for the purge and pressurization along with other hazardous protection products we have to offer. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video.